Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today in Adobe Illustrator we are going to make flower shop brand. And if you're interested, please keep watching. Before we start our tutorial, I want to invite you to my Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel will be articles from me about graphic design and as well a huge chat with designers and as well all about my tutorials and about my graphic design course. And if you want to take a look at my life, you can come to my Instagram where I'm showing my life in Montenegro in the small town Herceg Novi. And now let's start our tutorial. Today we will be creating a combination mark logotype for our flower shop brand Flower. The combination mark uses both a symbol or a mascot and a watermark that spells out the brand's name. The two elements can be stacked on top of each other, side by side, or integrated together to form an image. Let me show you some popular combination logotypes. Burger King, Pepsi, Rolex, Nike, MasterCard. These are all examples of combination mark. And as well, these logotypes can be used without name. For example, Pepsi and Nike can be used without name and everyone can understand that it's Pepsi or Nike. Good name, good typography and good colors make the brand unique. The name of your brand is the art, so make your brand unique with help of the name. My name is not unique, it's easy and usual, so when you will be create your own brand, please think about that it will be unique and interesting. Here you see colors and fonts of my brand. The main colors here are natural colors, it's green colors and light color. And one of the colors are pink. The pink color is one of the favorite colors of every girl. And I decided that that color should be in my brand because flowers it's mostly for the girls and pink color will be look interesting in my brand. So guys, brand it's not only a logotype. Brand is the feeling that you feel when you see the brand name, brand colors. So your brand should talk with your customers and should understand the feelings of your customers, and then your brand will be work. Of course, there is a lot of tips and tricks about making logotype, brand, illustration, design, and if you're interested to understand how to make design from scratch to final result, then I want to invite you to my graphic design course, Commercial Portfolio Step Up. Why you need my course? Who is my course for? What does my course consist of? You will find everything on my course website. I have two levels of my course. Level 1 where you will study by yourself without my support, and as well I have level 2. It's level with my support. And if you want to study with me, you need to go to level 2. If you want to study by yourself, you need to go to level 1. You can buy course on level 1 right now. Just go to level 1 and press buy now. If you want to study with me, you can do it in August. All information about course with me you will find below the level 2. And as well, here you will find student works and reviews with portfolios. And now let's start to make the brand logotype. Okay guys, my workspace is ready and colors in the swatches panel. Let's take any color, for example, let it be green color. And line tool, create the line like this. The size will be here or 5 or 7 or 10 or 2 or 3, as you like. It's your own opinion. I have here 5. Let's make the next line. To make it straight, please hold the shift. Okay, now we need to create the leaves of our flower. Let's create the circle. Hold shift to make it perfect. Change stroke to fill. Hold Alt to make copy. Select both elements. Align. Pathfinder unite. Intersect. Sorry. And here let it be 7 or 5. And move the leaf here. Okay, let's fix it a little. Rotate, put in that place. Now transform, reflect, vertical copy, and put here. Okay, align. Now make copy, hold Alt and make copy, and rotate that leaf like that. And put it in that place. Okay, let's move a little. And now let's copy and paste that leaf, rotate, make it smaller, put in that place. Now transform, reflect, vertical copy, and put it here. Okay, select. The size will be better 7. And now let's select the flower and group it. Now let's move it a little up and let's take text tool. Let's write, the size here will be 100 to see the text, and let's write flower. And now bloom with us, it's our slogan. Okay, make it wider. The size will be 30 here. Now here let's select the font. You will find the font below this video. You can stay it like this, or you can make all letters like that. Green color, and here let it be 200 between letters, and the Gilroy light font as well, you will find it below this video, and light green color. Let's align. Create outlines at first, and let's align the text. Let's move it down. Let's select that symbol, object, expand, OK. Pathfinder, unite. Now let's group the text, Ctrl G, and select the flower and align it like that. Okay, select the logotype and Ctrl G, group it. The logotype is ready. Now we need to make presentation with that logotype to help our customer to understand how it will be look in real life. So we need to save the logotype as PNG with transparent background. Let it be a flower tutorial. Export. And let's make presentation with mockups and photos to impress our future customer, because it's very important to make good presentation, because not every customer can understand how it will be look in real life, and your work to show your design as good as you can. Now you see presentation of my flower shop brand. I made it for Behance platform. It's platform for the designers who wants to show their designs, to make their portfolio. So now I'm going to show you my presentation. You will find my presentation below this video. You can open it in PDF file. And as well, now we are going to Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how I made that illustration in Adobe Illustrator. Okay guys, this is my presentation in Adobe Illustrator. The size of my artboard is 1400 pixels to 6000 to 900 pixels. So then you create presentation for your Behance project. The width will be the same, always 1400 pixels, but the height can be as you want. It can be 5000 pixels or 10,000 pixels, as you like. But don't make it too long, because it's too hard to watch long design presentations. And as well, when you create your design presentation, you should show your logotype, in our case, as interesting as you can, in different situation, in different mockups, in different photos. So you need to make your presentation interesting but not boring. And let's start here. Here I have mockup with my logotype, and here my logotype. What is mockup? Mockup help you to show your design in real life. If you don't know how to use mockups and where you can take them, then please watch my video on YouTube. Here you will find everything about mockups, how to use it. You need to Photoshop to use mockups, and everything what you need to know about mockups you can find in that video. Let me show you all mockups in my presentation. These are mockups. This is mockup. Let's move here. This mockup, this mockup, this and that, bags, and that's all. As well, in my presentation I used photos. Here the flower photo, This is the flower photo. I use the photos to show the mood of my design, and customer can understood that it's all about flowers. And as well, I created in Adobe Illustrator business card. That business card was created as mockup, but as mockup in Adobe Illustrator. Here only rectangle and shadow with Gaussian blur 9 pixels. As well, always try to show your logotype with different colors and to show the colors here. And please always show typography. You don't need to write what font you used, but you need just show the font. For example, here my font for logotype and here my font for slogan. Okay, let's move on. Here I used the photo with my logotype. Here stickers with logotype. It's my app for my flower shop, and of course bags. So guys, when you create design for your portfolio, always make presentation, because presentation can show your customer how it will be look in real life, and of course your customer will understand your designer skills with help of your presentation and come to you to order logotype or other design. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you liked my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about graphic design. Bye bye guys. Mwah. Bye.